Hi, I'm Alex from Vasari Plaster and Paint. On December 16th and 17th, we're having an open house and training seminar in Kuala Lumpur. I'm going to show you how to apply the most beautiful, luxurious, and natural wall finishes on earth. We'll have open-ended demonstrations throughout the day. We welcome homeowners, designers, architects, and builders. Lime-based wall coatings have been used for thousands of years throughout the world on architectural monuments, palaces, and the most beautiful homes on earth. Vasari materials last a lifetime, are naturally eco-friendly, antimicrobial, easy to repair, and easy to apply. Visit our showroom December 16th or 17th between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Application training will happen throughout the day, so come by anytime. Visit our website at vasariasia.com. Looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.